Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. Today I'm excited to show you how to use BrowSense. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little nervous to use this one. Not because I didn't think it'd be an amazing product, because I've yet to meet a SeneGence product I don't love, but because I was a little nervous being an eyebrow virgin to try it out and see if I could do it. But the good news is, it's super incredibly easy and it's super incredibly effective. So stand by, keep watching to see how I did this, and then I also linked all the videos below to show you how I achieved this full face SeneGence look. Okay, so it comes, as you see, there's two ends. I'm using the color Taupe, and this end is the one you're gonna use first. It's kind of like a little paintbrush, and you're just gonna use like short hair-like strokes to fill in, define, and shape your brows, and then you're gonna use the brush end to even it out and make it look super natural. And stuff really does look natural and it stays on like everything else. So here we go. See, so easy. Okay, there, can you see how easy it is? Now you're gonna take this part, like to bend a little bit, give it a little angle, and you're just gonna brush it through. And like all SeneGence products, you can build this so you can have like super dramatic brows if you want, or you can do what I just did and kind of do like an everyday brow look. So there you go, you guys. Next up, LipSense, and we'll have done a full face today.